Navigating Airport Customs, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and essential topic for travelers, passing through customs. Whether you're traveling abroad for the first time or looking to refresh your knowledge, understanding this process is key to a smooth and stress-free journey. So, let's get started. When we talk about passing through customs, we're referring to the process of entering a country after international travel, where your luggage and personal items are checked by government officials. This process ensures that everything entering the country complies with local laws, including regulations on prohibited or restricted items, and that any necessary duties or taxes on goods are paid. Preparation is crucial for a seamless customs experience. Before you even board your plane, make sure you're aware of what you can and cannot bring into your destination country. Most countries have strict rules on food, plants, animals, and medication, among other items. Checking the official website of the country's customs service can save you a lot of time and trouble. Upon arrival, you'll be directed to the customs area. Here, you'll typically fill out a customs declaration form. This form asks about the items you're bringing into the country, including their value, and whether you have anything to declare, like goods over a certain value limit. Being honest and accurate on this form is crucial. Once completed, you'll proceed to an inspection area where a customs officer may inspect your luggage. During the process, customs officers might ask you questions about your trip, the nature of your visit, and the items you're bringing in. Stay calm and answer truthfully. If your luggage is selected for inspection, officers will check to make sure your declarations are accurate and that you're not carrying prohibited items. Remember, this is a routine process, and cooperating fully can make it faster and smoother. Once you've cleared customs, you're almost ready to enjoy your visit. The final step is usually passing through a customs exit, where your declaration form is collected, and you officially enter the country. Remember to keep any important documents handy until you've completely exited the customs area. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the customs process. We hope this video has demystified what it means to pass through customs, and has prepared you for your next international adventure. Safe travels, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.